Hello friends, this is Coachveer, and in this video I am going to explain Singapore Mathematical Olympiad 2022 Junior section this question. Question number 24. What the question says, if x and y can take any real values, what is the smallest possible value for this given expression? So we need to find the smallest value. First thing first, let's start the solution. Arrange x or y, whatever we want. So I am just taking x, so 2x square plus 4xy, the things which contain x, plus 4x, these are the things which contain x. Rest y and without x things, you can say y things I am writing after it, 10y plus 13. So everything is there. Now we have to take something common among x. What is coming common? 2 is coming common. So let's write whatever is left. X square plus 2 times x y plus 2x, and this bracket is closed. Now we are left with 5y square plus 10y plus 13. So this is what we got. Now we have to use completing the whole square method. And just a request, friend, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. It's important for me. Thank you. Let's continue. So for that we require what is there to be added. So how to find out? First take 2x common here. So if we take 2x common here, we are left with y plus 1. Now we know we need extra y plus 1 because x is already there. So I am just going to add y plus 1 whole square with it inside the bracket. And if we are adding y square plus 1, we have to subtract it also. But while subtraction, you have to keep in mind there was a 2 in front of it. So when you are subtracting, you should write 2 bracket y plus 1 whole square. Right? Now this part, I think you are done with this part. 2 times this part is going to be, let me write it below. Let me write it below. So what it says, 2 times x plus this y plus 1 and this whole square. Now this part is done. Now what about this part? Let's solve this part also. 5y square plus 10y plus 13, and this you open this bracket, y plus 1 whole square, what you will get. So let's open this bracket. When you open this bracket, you get negative 2y square, then a negative 4y, and then negative 2. Right? Then let's do some more math here. So this part I am keeping it the same way, and this part I am just solving it. So this 5y square minus 2y square is going to be 3y square, right? And this 10y and negative 4y is going to give you plus 6y, right? Then this 13 and this 2 will make it plus 11, right? Now we have to again do the same thing here. What is common among them in numbers, because we have to make the whole square, right? So let's make the common thing out. So this part I am just going to write same, 2x plus y plus 1 whole square, then this 3 is common. What is left here is y square plus 2y, and we just need to add 1 with it, right? But this 11 is already there. If we are adding this 1, like adding 3, we have to subtract the 3 also. So what happen is 2x plus y plus 1 whole square plus 3y plus 1 whole square, and this 11 minus 3 is going to be how much? 8. Now you know that this is a square part and this is a square part. So square part minimum value is 0. Here also minimum value is 0. So what we are left with, just 8. And why I done it with x and y together in the first go? Because both needs to be accompanied in 1 so that their result will be 0. So that's how we can solve this. And if you have any doubt, you can comment and tell me where you find it interesting. I have seen another solutions also on YouTube video, but they are not fascinating. And if you think that we can solve it with y, let's try to do that. In this video itself we can do it. Let's do it. Now let's try to do this with the help of y. How to do it with the help of y? You have to first separate the y things. So 5y square plus 4xy plus 10y, and then the rest x things. 2x square plus 4x plus 13. Now let's do something here. What we are getting common or something here in this. So I think we are getting common as 5 if you want. So 5 taken out common, we get y square plus 4 by 5 xy plus 2y plus 2x square plus 4x plus 13 remains same. Now what we can do here is further is completing the whole square method, but before that we have to segregate the y things. So let's do it. So what is common among this? We can take the 2y common. If we are taking 2y common, what is left? 5 in the denominator and x by 5 we can write plus 1, or actually 2x plus 2x by 5 plus 1. Then we will close this bracket, plus this thing will remain same. I'm solving this again with the y taking common. So 5. Now we have to make the completing the whole square attempt here. So this part remains same, 2y bracket 2x by 5 plus 1, and we have to add this same thing here. So 2x by 5 plus 1 whole square needs to be added to make it a whole square, completing the whole square method application. So this part 2x square plus 4x plus 13 remains same, and we have added it, so we have to subtract also, but 5 is outside the bracket, so 5 times 2x by 5 plus 1 whole square. This is what we are going to do here. Now let's complete the whole square. So 5 outside this square bracket, y plus 2x by 5 plus 1, it is taken separately, and then the whole square, because we are applying the completing the whole square method, we are just applying a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is a plus b whole square. Now next, this part remains same, 2x square plus 4x plus 13, and what happens to this? We will open this. So negative 5 times opening of this bracket, I am just doing it step by step. So 4x by 25, this x will become square now, plus 2 times you can do, so 4x by 5 plus 1. Now opening this bracket, this thing will remain same. Now this thing has been completed, the square part, so 2x by 5 plus 1, and this thing is in square. Now let's open the, this part will remain same, 4x plus 13, and we are opening this bracket. So what we get is negative 5 4s are 20, but 5 can cancel out this, so we can just write 4x square by 5, and this part 5 get cancel out, so negative 4x, and this is negative 5. Now x square things we have to separate. So 5 bracket y plus 2x by 5 plus 1, this thing will remain in square, and now this part, what we do, 2x square and this thing we have to subtract. So we have to take the LCM, 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 4 is 6, so we can write 6x square by 10 plus 4x and 4x get cancel out. Okay, this thing 13 and 5, this thing when you subtract you will get 8. Now this part is almost solved, because everything is in square now, this is in square, so square minimum value is 0, you know, because square cannot be negative, so that's why its minimum is 0. Same here, square cannot be negative, but minimum value of that thing will be 0. So answer is 8. You can solve it by both method, and please comment which method you like more, like x by solving it with x and y complication, or with y or x complication. And thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.